Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
A QR code links your Outlook contact or calendar in one scannable image. I will show each step clearly and slowly. First, decide whether you want an email, contact card, or calendar event linked. Next, open your Outlook app on desktop or web to begin. The process uses built-in share features or a simple QR generator. You will learn how to customize, test, and share the QR code securely. Follow each instruction and test scanning with your phone's camera. Open Outlook on desktop or Outlook. Come and find the email, contact, or event. Click Share and choose Copy Link or Get Link from the Share menu. If Outlook provides a direct QR option, select Generate QR and skip external tools. Otherwise, open a trusted QR generator website or app. Paste the copied link into the generator's URL field and set size to 300 by 300 pixels. Create the QR, then download the PNG file to your device for testing and sharing. Test the QR by scanning with a phone camera to confirm the correct Outlook content opens. If it opens the wrong page, regenerate the link and create a new QR. Share the PNG via email, a slide, or print it on a badge. For printed codes, keep at least 3 inches square for reliable scanning. If the content is private, set Outlook permissions or use short-lived links before creating the QR. Monitor access and revoke links if you suspect unauthorized use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.